Nahal, bonjour, Ani Kanoya, Gitchmigwach Gibajoyak Monpi, and the Schnabek Nation Gizes on Mizrigan Nishnabemun Kirunan, Miigwech Wendam Isidore Toulouse, Be Kinomage Young Nongom. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming here for this webinar featuring Anishinaabemowin words and phrases from the annual calendar. Thank you, Isidore, for teaching us today. Ali Darne Dishnikas, Giptaganzibi and Donjaban, Niagara Falls and Da, Nishnaabe, Ojibwe and Dao, Mino, Ishkanishna Bem Yan. I'm Ali Darne from Grand River First Nation. I live in Niagara Falls, and I'm an Ojibwe woman and a newish language learner. Nishnawbek Nation and Dunjanaki and Gichinandam Jinaki Twa Gwa Gidin Wewe Nanan Miigwechwendam. I work for the Anishinaabeg Nation. I'm happy to work with our language, and I'm really grateful. I want to say welcome to everybody for joining us here today. And again, I am really thankful for Isidore joining us on this adventure as we launch these monthly webinars featuring words from the Anishinaabeg Nation's Gizizo Mizinigan. Naha, Lori Gintam, Maba Anishinaabemowin and Nakit, Laura McLeod Shabagijik. Vision cause zo the income.
As Alan mentioned, I am also working with her in the newly created Anishinaabemowin department here at Anishinaabeg Nation. In terms of where I'm from, Chiging Donjaba, meanwhile, Nipissing Bembendogos. And I just wanted to say welcome to everyone. We're so glad you could make it. We'd like to begin our session today with Ngurwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. At every event hosted by the Anishinaabeg Nation, we make it a practice to recite the Ngurwe Wangazit. It's a good reminder for who we are and how we are connected. The images in this medallion, these pictographs were created by our former lead elder, Gordon Wandabenswa. And they're just so beautiful. And I'd like to share them with you. And, they tell a beautiful story. The Benjiged Gi's son, Anishinaabe and the king, Gibedakon Garanem and Adol Wadizuan. Shkure nebe ake noden, Gibedakos Minagdawen, the Mang Mampishpag Magon. The Benjiged Giminan Gitchitwa Windagok, Anishinaben Wadnog Dunjin, Nedanishwaswe Kinamadwanan. Zagedwin, de Boewin, Manadendamwin, Nabakawin, the Badendiswin, Quaquadzawin, Minoaka Dewin. The Benjiged Kimin Guna, Deadbinwe, Winaga Windawin. Kamana Dendana Gabajwebak, meanwhile, Nango Megwa Ejwebak, meanwhile, Yabe Wanijwebak. Miigwech. And that's the preamble to the Anishinaabeg Nation Constitution as well. So I'm very happy to say that this is our third calendar. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it. Initially, it began as an in-house project just about 2 years ago. Each year at our work at Anishinaabeg Nation, the staff are given a calendar to record our upcoming events and, keep track of things. And so 1 year I requested to create a calendar to support staff in terms of their language development. And so I asked to create a calendar and began working with my friend Priscilla Goulet, who works here at Anishinaabeg Nation. She's from Nipissing. And she began to do the layout for the project. And I approached Zoe Wood Solomon and asked her if we could use her work for the cover. And also, when we were done, we asked our Anishinaabeg Nation Language Commissioner, Barb Nolan, to edit the calendar for us. So initially, it kind of began as a calendar to support staff. But then I also sent it out to our family well-being workers to utilize in their programs. And so once we posted it on social media, it blew up in a way that it's been requested all across the province at our communities, and both in Canada and the US. So it's been going really well, and we've been very fortunate to have the support of artists like James Jocko and this year Dan Commanda. And so this is kind of an unfunded project. And so I just wanted to take a quick moment to acknowledge those people who really helped make this possible. And so first of all, our Anishinaabeg Nation Language Commissioner, Barb Nolan, who edits all of our work for us, our graphic artist, Priscilla Goulet, our cover artist, Dan Commanda, and Jacob Wemigwas from Wikwemikong, who does the inspirational phrases, and our Anishinaabeg Nation Communications Department, who also does our editing for our publication. Later on in this year, we hope to have feature each of the contributors who contributed phrases for the calendar this year. And these are some of them. Today we start with the fabulous Mr. Isidore Toulouse. And next month we'll have Dr. Rhonda Hopkins. And we hope to have the Curve Lake Cultural Team, JP Montano, Ian McCallum, Squonquet Rice, Monty McGaughy, Jessica Shonias, Falcon McLeod, Perry Bebmash, John Paul Chalikoff, Gilbert Deschamps, and Mona Cormier, and of course, Martina Rozamek. And so, like I said, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of those programs who helped make this possible. Because it's not a funded project, their contributions took a little bit away from their program work. So I just wanted to say how much we really appreciate their supporting us. And that's the Anishinaabeg Family Wellbeing Program, the Anishinaabe Department, the Anishinaabeg Nation, the Restoration of Jurisdiction, Labor Market Development, Reconciliation, and the Education Secretariat programs. So we thank them for helping to make this possible. So it is my honor to introduce our speaker today, Professor Isidore Toulouse. As you all know, he's a fluent speaker of Ojibwe Odawa, and he comes from the Wikwemikong unceded territory. As it just happens, he is also Bjiket, Turtle Clan, and he's been a passionate advocate for Anishinaabe for over 45 years. I'm sorry, he's been teaching for 45 years, and he's currently working for the Grand Traverse Band of Ottawa and Chippewa Indians. He is the author of Kidwinan and also has provided translations for many more books. And he's also a founding member of Anishinaabe Teg, so one of the fabulous language conference that happens every year. He is very much a part of that and given so much to Anishinaabe. We're so grateful to you, Isidore. And with that, we'd like to hand it over to you. We can't hear you, Isidore.
I muted myself because I was coughing so much. All right, miigwech Lori for that wonderful accolade of who Isidore Toulouse is. Miigwech everybody for logging in. 56 people I see. Gitchinendam. I'm very happy to be here to share a little bit of what I know in Anishinaabe. So I'm going to be going through a variety of words that I submitted for the book, for the calendar. So here, Menido Gizis Kidwinan. Menido Gizis Kidwinan. These refer to the January list of words. So here we have the word Nimkudadim, New Year's Day, Nimkudadim. It has nothing to do with the fact that it's the new year. It's just the word Nimkudadim comes from the word that you're going around waving or shaking hands, Nimkudadim. Remember long ago in my younger days, we used to go house to house collecting apples and candies from different households for wishing Happy New Year to everyone. And the word we used was hapne, Happy New Year, hapne. So Nimkudadim comes from the word, just the greeting, Beba Nimkage. So Nimkudadim. We'ene jitchigen. We'ene jitchigen. Do it right. Do it properly. We'ene. Some dialects you're going to hear we'ene. Wewene, weene. Again, dialect preferences, dialect differences. Every community has a dialect of their own. So we need to respect each other's dialect. And it's not proper to say, oh, that's not how you say it. That deters other people from trying to learn the language. So we try to encourage, this is how I would say it, sort of thing. So, weene jichigen, jichigen. Do it properly, do it right. This one, the next one, weene jichigek, is the plural form of all of you. Do it right or do it properly. Weene jichigek. Weene jichigek. All right. Weene jichigeda. Anytime you hear the da at the end, the da tells you it's going to be you and I. Let's. Weene jichigeda. Let's all do it right. Do it properly. All right. So, first word, nimkudadim. Weene jichigen. Weene jichigek. Weene jichigeda. Weene jichigeda. All right. And if you have any questions as we go along, please don't hesitate to press the chat button, and I'm sure someone will keep an eye on the chat to have, if you have any questions as we go along. Bidun mampi. Bidun mampi. Bring it here. And again, some of these words would be great to hang around your wall or around your door, and people come into your office or your place. Maybe you want to encourage use of that language, that those simple commands that we have here. Bidun mampi, bring it here. Bring it here. Mampi, bring it here. Bidun mampi. Mishkike na gdaan. Mishkike na gdaan. Na always comes second in the language, no matter what. In a question form, the na comes second. Mishkike na gdaan. You can also say gdaan na mishkike. It still means, do you have any medicine? Gdaan na mishkike. Mishkike na gdaan. Gdaan. That G in front of gda tells you we're talking to you. Mishkike na gdaan. So I would respond, yes, daan. Daan. That G changes to an N. Daan mishkike. Yes, I have medicine. Daan mishkike. Number 7, kwenezigeda. 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 Let's smudge. Let's do a smudge. Kwenezigeda. And there's that da again. Let's. Kwenezigeda. All right. Number 8. Kwenezan ndu achkinagan. Kwenezan ndu achkinagan. Kwenezan ndu achkinagan. Smudge my room. Kwenezan ndu achkinagan. Kwenezo ndu poagan. Kwenezo ndu poagan. Now, kwenezan and kwenezo are two different words. One is for animate. The number 8, kwenezan, is for inanimate objects. Kwenezo is for animate objects. So in this case, the pipe is an animate object. Kwenezo ndu poagan. Okay, so smudge my pipe. It's the same word in English, smudge, but one is used for animate objects. So kwenezo ndu poagan. Kwenezagan na gdaan. Do you have a smudge? Okay, kwenezagan. So it would be the actual bowl with the sage or sweetgrass or whatever it is that you're using to smudge with. Kwenezgan na gdaan. Do you have a smudge? Gdaan. Kwenezgan na gdaan. Nishnabe adiziwin. Nishnabe adiziwin. Anytime you see that win ending in a particular word, any word, it means the way to or the art of. So in this case, Anishinaabe Adzuin, the art of Anishinaabe ways, the way to Anishinaabe ways, okay, our traditions, Anishinaabe Adzuin. All right. Wind motion. There's lots of words in the language that we use that when I teach with the shin endings. Anytime you hear that shin ending is reflective back to me. Wind motion says tell me. Wind motion. Wind motion ejwebak. Wind motion ejwebak. So we could all be looking outside and I'm just coming around the corner. Oh, wind motion ejwebak. Tell me what's happening. All right. So everybody's gawking out the door or out the window, looking. Wind motion ejwebak. Tell me what's happening. Okay. Wind motion ejwebzien. All right. So Ali could be sitting on her chair with ice pack on her head, and I could be asking, "Oh, Ali, wind motion ejwebzien. Tell me what's happening to you. Wind motion ejwebzien. Okay, tell me what's wrong with you. Wind motion ejwebzien. Binad motion. That be tells you it's to come towards you. Be. Binad motion. Come and help me. Binad motion. Nadmo. Nadmo, help him or her. Windmo, tell him or her. Okay? Wind motion. Windmo. Nadmo, help him or her. Nadmotion, help me. Be nadmotion. So come and help me. So if I said bewind motion, this is not on the list. Bewind motion, that's going to be come and tell me. Bewind motion. All right? Bewind motion. All right, Binada motion. Come and help me. Binada motion. Here's another. Oh, excuse me. Here's another one. Bizindoshin. Bizindoshin. Listen to me. Bizindo is listen to him or her without the shin. Bizindoshin. Listen to me. Ke for the time being. Ke tells you it's for the time being. For now. All right. Ke. If it's in the beginning of the word. Ke bizindawa da. There's that da again. Let's listen to Maba. Let's listen to this person for the time being. For now, let's have a listen to what he has to say. Ke bizindawa da Maba. Maba. Ke bizindwada maba. Ke bizindwada maba. Let's listen to this person for the time being. Ke bizindwada. Biwi sinin enda a. Biwi sinin. All right. So everyone in the Anishinaabe speaking community knows the word wisinin. Wisinin is a command telling you to eat. Wisinin. Daga wisinin. Eat. So the be tells you to come and eat. Biwi sinin. So biwi sinin enda'an. Enda'an is my place. Enda'an. Biwi sinin enda'an. Come and eat at my place. Biwi sinin enda'an. Wenesh enukian. Wenesh enukian. Enukian. What are you doing? Wenesh enukian. What are you doing? Winish and Nukian. Okay? Winish and Nukian. Some you're going to hear Weganesh, Weganesh with a G, Wegenesh, Weganesh, Wenesh. Okay? How? Anjbidu. Next one.
Just before we move forward, Isidore, do you want to take questions now or at the end?
Oh, yeah, we can take questions anytime.
Okay, I can't see it, but I believe David Schwanda raised his hand.
Oh, okay. David?
Is he able to speak now, Alec? Oh, perfect.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay. No, I was thinking for that. I used to remember my mom used to always sound like she'd say like Aisha something like that. So
Yes, and that's another one.
is that like
Anish,
Anish?
Anisha Nukian, Aisha Nukian. Yeah, we use that today even. Aisha Nukian. We shorten as Odawa people, we shorten the word Wenesh. Aisha Nukian, because we get lazy. Aisha Nukian. Aisha Nukian. Okay? Yeah, so it's the same
Okay.
thing. Wenesha Nukian, Wegunesha Nukian, Aisha Nukian. Aisha Nukian. Very good, David.
Okay. Miigwech.
How? Aisha Nukian Nunganakshik. Okay, so there's that
Oh.
word Aisha Nukian. What are you doing tonight? Wenesh Nukian Nungo Nakshik. Ali, do you have a question?
There's a question about on number 18, so can you go back a slide there, Lori? It's asking us why isn't there a na for the question in 18? Wenish and
Oh, because
Nakian.
Wenesh tells you what? Wenesh is already the question marker. Wenesh is already asking what. So we don't need the na in that one.
No, we watch.
Good question, good observation. So in the same with this one, Wenesh and Nuki and Nunganakshik, what is it that you're doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? Wenesh and Nuki and Nunganakshik. Wenesh and Nuki and Nunganakshik. Number 20, Ki Wabma na Kashe. Kashe. And I'm just going to write on the chat here, Gimama. Gimama. Okay? Your mother. Nimama. My mother. All right. That's the only language that I knew as I was growing up. Mama, my mother. All right. We didn't use the word ngashe for my mother. Those mama and papa are adopted words from the French language. Mama and papa. All right. So we're trying to go back to use our gegete, our real language. Ngashe, my mother. Ngashe, my mother. All right. So in this case here, kiwabmana kashe. This K tells you it's your mother. Kiwabmana kashe. Okay. Did you see your mother? So I would say, ningiwabma ngashe. I saw my mother. Ngashe. Kashe. Ngashe. All right. 21. Kiwabmana eknomaget. Kiwabmana eknomaget. The E in the beginning of this one tells you it's of the present tense. Kinumaget means the one who teaches. Kiwabmana eknumaget. In this case, the one who teaches is the teacher. Did you see the teacher? Did you see the one who teaches? Kiwabmana eknumaget. And wabma means to literally see. Okay, so in this case, it's a question. Did you excuse me, did you see? And again in chat here, NWAABMAA, Nawabma, I see him or her. Nawabma, Nawabma.
Isidore, we have another question from Bernadette.
All right.
Go ahead, Bernadette. Just unmute yourself.
I have a question with that Kinumaget.
Eh.
Is that in reference to the earth teaches us?
Yeah, I've heard the word ake used for how those teachings from the earth are reflected on that word.
Yeah.
Okay, kinomage, ake.
Okay.
Now, toen snap hem, Bernadette.
Yeah.
Dus kan anders snap hem toesin. Anishna Bemsa.
Bomo pimino gugwechun ganishnabe.
You can tell when people can speak the language. I can tell she spoke the language, her tone.
Nahamigach.
Ow. Ow. So when Nuki, where are we? Did we do that? Did we do all the slides there? Ow. 22. When HP Gejaing Ude. When HP Gejaing Ude. All right. In this case, when we see that word ja is the verb to go. And then when we add the suffix ying, it makes it you and me. When ich ying ude. Okay? Ying. If I said yang, when ich yang ude, that means this person and I, not including who you're speaking to. When ich yang ude. When will we go over there? Not you, but this person and I. So that's the complexity of the language that we need to understand. All these yin, yang, what, okay, all right? So, when HP tells you when HP, ge ude. Ude means over there. When HP ge ude. Gibakadena. Are you hungry? Okay, we use that predominantly in the Odawa language. Ojibways will have a different word. Okay, I think it's gaskadena or something. Gabakadena. Are you hungry? Gabakade. Kwi wisinna. Kwi wisinna. Do you want to eat? All right. Now, in the beginning, remember I said the na always comes second? Though this is a hyphenated word, we is not a word by itself. We sin means you will eat. All right. The na makes it a question. Do you want to eat? Okay. We sin. Gibakde na. One word. Gibakde. Ge by itself is not a word. Qui by itself is not a word. All right. Geguna quimijin. Geguna quimijin. Do you want something to eat? Again, this one can be switched over and say quimijinna gegu. Do you want something to eat? Quimijinna gegu. Geguna quimijin. All right. So that's the interesting part of the language. You can use parts of that word in any different way. It'll still mean in English. Do you want something to eat? Gegu na quimijin. And the word gegu refers to something. Gegu. Gegu. Gegu na quimijin. Aha. Next slide.
We have a question.
Isidore, before,
question.
yo, you got it. Go.
Yes. In the Q&A, someone has asked us, can you please repeat what K at the start means? So that KE sound at the start. It might have been back a slide.
Okay, the KE in the beginning, KE tells you it's for the time being. K. Some will say kiwe, Kiwe. Some will say ke. Some will say ke. Okay, ke for the time being, for now. Ke. Kewisnida. Let's take time to eat for the time being. Ken bada. Let's take a nap. Ken bada. Ke bizindoada Isidore. Let's listen to Isidore for now. Ke bizindoada. So that ke just refers to for that time being. Okay. Ke. Does that help?
Yeah, we watch.
How? All right, so when Ishpige Jaingode, well, did we finish all those? All right. Oh yeah, we did. Yep, we're done. All right. Gdawido min nago. Gdawido min nago. Again, we know the word we sine. We know the word mi jim. Okay, we know the word shange. There are different words that interpret eating. All right, and then it's just a matter of how you use that word, how you interpret that word. So in this case here, Gda widu minnago. May I eat with you? Gda widu minnago. Widu min. And the literal translation of widu min, I could not tell you what it means. It means may I eat with you. All right. Gda widu minnago. So I'm walking by with my tray at the cafeteria, and I see Ali sitting all by herself. And I was like, "Oh, Ali, gda widu minnago." And she would say, "Ka gawin pujama. Get out of here." Gadawi dop minnago. May I eat with you? So she would say, nahau, we dop mishin. Okay, eat with me. Nahau, we dop mishin. We dop mishin. Okay? We the bumshin. We the bumshin. Sit with me. We the bumshin. We the bumshin. Okay? We the bumshin. Sit with me. We the bumshin. Ahau. Gadawi the bamin nagwa. Ooh. Gadawi the bamin nagwa. There's a typo. Is that how this is in the book? Is that how I wrote it?
Uh-oh, what should we fix? You better tell us.
This says, may I sit with you? Gadawi the bamin nagwa. Check the original spelling that I sent to you. Maybe it was
Oh, that
me.
was that was my typo. Oh no, this is what we have in the calendar. So what does it mean?
It
In
means
the calendar,
may
Oh,
I
yeah,
eat
yes.
with you.
Oh,
this
yes,
one,
it's my
what,
PowerPoint.
Gadawi the bamin. Oh, may I sit with you? This one says, may I sit with you? Gadawi the
Yes.
bamin nagwa.
it's correct in the calendar. This is just an error here, but it's in the
Okay,
calendar.
all
We've
right,
got
very
that
good,
one.
very good. I thought we had to recall all the calendars. All right. Gizagin. Gizagin. I love you. Gizagin. And that's pretty straightforward, that word, Gizagin. And we, from the seven grandfather teachings, we know it as Zagidwin. Zagidwin. So Gizagin, I love you. Gizagin. We'ene jichgek. We'ene jichgek. All of you do it right. Okay? We'ene jichgek. All right? Nzaga. I love him or her. Nzaga. Okay? Nzaga. Nzaktun ndinwewin. Nzaktun ndinwewin. Ndinwewin comes from that sound that comes from my mouth. Ndinwewin. All right? I love the sound of my language. Ndinwewin. I love my sound. Ndinwewin. Okay? Ndinwewin. Nzagak ningitizimak. Ngitizimak. Nzagak ngitizimak. I love my parents. Nzagak ngitizimak. Minagijgad. Minagijgad. It's a nice day. It's a lovely day. It's a beautiful day. Minagijgad. Minagijgad. Minaya. Minaya. He or she is doing well, doing good. Minaya. Okay? Minaya. How?
How do I say I love you all?
I love you all. It would be Gizagin im kina. Gzaginim kina. Or kina gzaginim. Either one. All right. Minagishgad and Minaya. All right. Minabamadize. He or she is living well. Minabamadize. Minabamadize. Bimadze. Some of you are just going to hear namadze. Namadze without the bi. Namadze. Minabamadze. Okay. Minawab minagze. Then there's that wab again that you're seeing. Okay. Minawab minagze. He or she looks well. Didn't look too healthy yesterday, but today he or she looks well. Minawab minagze. Minawab minagze. Okay. Number 39. Gmina wam. You look well, mighty fine. Gmina. Oh, Gmina wam minagwas, sorry. Gmina wab minagwas. Gmina wab minagwas. You look well, mighty fine. Okay. Gmina wab minagwas. Giabina kwiwi sin. Giabina kwiwi sin. Do you want more to eat? Giabina kwiwi sin. Giabina queen ba. Do you want to sleep more? Giabina queen ba. Giabina gibakade. Are you still hungry? Giabina gabakade. Okay. Giabina gabakade. And that could also mean, do you still want more to eat? Giabina kwiwisin. Giabina gabakade. All right. Be, there's that be again, to be towards you. Binabin. Look here. Binabin. Okay. Binabin. Binabin.
You've got a hand up.
Alrighty. Question away.
Go ahead.
Annie,
Bernadette.
Ani,
Annie, snuggie is a kiddie beautiful. It's not me.
beautiful. Gina jwe.
Manotis manda.
Oh yeah, you can use manda, manda, we,
Najwe.
meaning a beautiful woman.
Yeah,
Manda kwewe.
mandakwe.
Manda nini we. Beautiful man. Manda nini we. So yeah, manda kwewe, beautiful. We would use that also. Manda.
Nahamikat.
All right.
I have a question, Isidore.
Yes, Lori.
Why isn't it just Mondakwe? What is the Kwewe?
Manda kwewe, it just means that the form of that woman, manda kwewe, that he or she is of that woman. Manda kwewe. Okay? That she is a beautiful woman. If I just said manda kwe, we could be talking about anybody in particular. Manda kwe. Manda kwewe would be that specific person. Okay.
Another question from the Q&A.
All right.
Can you say Banabin and point somewhere? Banabin.
No, because binabin specifically says, look this way. Binabin. Yeah,
Oh.
binabin. Look specifically this way. Binabin. Binabin. Okay. But if I was to say to look over there, I would say ude nabin. Ude. Look over there. Ude nabin. Udinabin. Okay. And then 9 times out of 10, we point with our lips. Udinabin. Look over there. Ude. All right.
Me what?
So, binabin. Look specifically at me. Binabin. We can also say,
Sorry,
yep, go ahead.
I had a quick question. When somebody says like Nishke, does that mean the same kind of a thing or?
Yeah. Because if I said to you Nishke, and you would be looking at me, what Nishke? Okay, what are you Nishkeing to? So your curiosity of that Nishke, udinabin, look over there. Nishke, look over there. Nishke.
Miigwech.
All right. So here the other one is Gnoab Mission. If I said Binabin and Gnoab Mission, those two mean the same thing. Binabin, look at me. Look here, Binabin. Gnoab mission would be specifically to look at me. Gnoab mission. Okay? Gnoab mission. That shin referring back to me. Gnoab mission.
I have another question in the Q&A. Somebody has typed out, they've requested a pronunciation of, and then they've typed out a series of sounds. I'll put it in the chat so you can see it if you can't see the Q&A.
Okay.
I think
no,
it's
can't see.
it's Ganaj with Makwakwe. I'm gonna put it in the chat so you can see
Oh, I see it. I see it.
there.
Pronunciation of Genajwed Makwakwe. Genajwed. Genajwed Makwakwe. Meaning beautiful, that of the beautiful bear woman. Genajwed. Okay. He or she that looks beautiful. The bear woman. Makwakwe. Genajwed. Does that help, Allison?
She can't say yes to you, but I think it does help. Oh, there she is.
Okay.
Oh, another Allison
I
has
saw her
appeared.
nod. All right. Okay, we did this. Binabin. All right. Next slide. All right. Udinabin, look over there. Mumpy tune. Mumpy tune. Put it here. Mumpy tune. Not emotion. Help me. Not emotion. Not emotion. Wind emotion. Tell me. Wind emotion. Zigna motion. Zigna motion. Pour it for me. Zigna motion. And Binabin, look here again. Why do we have that twice? And assumption. Assumption. Assumption or assumption. Feed me. Assumption. Assumption bangi. All right. So your partner or your spouse might be eating something that looks really good. And you want to say, oh, assumption bangi. Feed me a little bit. Assumption bangi. Bangi. A little bit. Assumption bangi.
I have a question. Roy.
Yep.
What's the difference between not emotion and widokushin?
Good question. Not emotion is help me, but we don't question is more of an Ojibwe term that tells you to help me also, but in a playing sense. We use it, we don't question is play with me. We don't question. Okay. In Odawa, that's what we use. Play with me. We don't question. But we don't question is an Ojibwe term that says, help me. So there's two different meanings, but we still understand one another when one says, we don't question. That means help me. All right?
So
All right.
before
Oh, go ahead.
does anybody have any questions?
And just for an FYI, we have free Anishinaabemowin classes every day, Monday to Thursday. Patricia Ozalmic and I are the teachers with the Grand Traverse Band. And we have students from all over the world that log in. So anybody and everybody's welcome to log in. This is the website, https, blah, 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 GTB Anishinaabemowin. All right? Grand Traverse Band Anishinaabemowin. And if you forget to get it here, you can just type in Grand Traverse Band Anishinaabemowin, and I'm sure that bit.ly site will show up with the Grand Traverse Band website. Marcy, do you have a question, or is that from earlier?
It's a question.
All right.
Hi, Isadora. Nadine Roach here.
Hey, hi, Nadine.
Hi, just learning quite a bit, really enjoying this session. So my question is, what is the difference or what's the breakdown for, say, Ipingishmuk and Nigabianong? What?
That
Both
is
referring to the what?
yeah, they're two different words. Ngabeoanung means where the land, where the earth stands still. Ngabeoanung. Okay, when it starts to get dark at that end. Epingishmuk is where the sun sets. Epingishmuk.
Ah,
All
okay,
right.
can we,
So Ojibways will use Ngabeoanung more than Epingishmuk. We in this part of the Ontario will use Epingishmuk where the sun sets.
okay, miigwech.
All right. Ali?
Okay, yes, we have a couple questions that are popping up in the Q&A. So, someone's asking, how do you say mother and father? And so you had talked earlier about saying Namama and Nababa, and we also shared the word Ngashe. I don't know, did we cover Nos?
Yeah, no, we
Um,
didn't. Nos we use for my father. Nos, my father. And Gnos is your father. Gnos. O son is his or her father. O son.
Sorry,
And
Isidore, sorry, coming up in
yep,
the main chat. They're just coming up, they're not coming up in the main chat.
Well, you got to change who you're chatting
oh,
to
it's just
back
going to
to
Lori.
everybody.
Okay. All right. That happened to be earlier today. I was thinking I was talking to everybody. It's not allowing me to do any. It just has you three. It just says Ali, Marcy, and Lori.
You know that you should have a little arrow that drops down and you can pick everyone.
There's no arrow.
Okay. I am typing the answers that you're saying into the Q&A. So
Okay.
and
All right.
we can type it into the chat as well. But I did put it into the Q&A. So there was another question in our Q&A, and this time it was how would you say I love you too? So if
Ooh,
I said to you,
I
I
love
love
you.
you,
I
then
love
you're
you
gonna
too. So, genin wa gizagin. Genin means me also. Okay, genin wa gizagin. I love you also. Genin wa gizagin. Or gizagin go genin. Okay, gizagin go genin. Oh, it just went to Lori again.
That's okay. We're putting it into the chat. We're copying and
Yep.
and
Okay.
I'm trying to type out what you're saying while you're doing it. So we got it covered. Now, okay, here's another question. I'm just going to go through the Q&A as they're popping up in that other side. Is Winabojo, are you Nanabojo? Is that the origin of Bojo?
There is a big belief of Medewin people that use the word as Wenibujo, meaning from Nenibujo. Me, and this is my own belief. It comes from the word bonjour, the French word bonjour. That's only me. All right. Don't go criticizing me. All right. This is my own belief that bonjour comes from the French word bonjour, because French had a big influence on our people back in the early days. So that's only me. So don't kill the messenger. All right.
Miigwech. That's the last sort of like Anishinaabe question here in the Q&A. We've had some other questions about getting the recording, access of the slides. And so I will definitely make all of those things available. If anyone has any other questions or if they want to chat in Anishinaabe with Isidore, put your hand up. You can jump in. We have a few more minutes here. Again, you know, we really appreciate everyone taking the time to join us today. We especially appreciate Isidore for all that he's doing for Anishinaabe and for answering the call when we ask him to do various things with us here at the Anishinaabe Nation and with the Anishinaabe department. we did share those classes. So Lori had that slide up there where you can join his free classes. They're every day online there for Zoom. It's a really great time, especially for those of you who are looking to challenge your learning, you know. I jumped in there the other day and really appreciated how much Anishinaabe was shared through that time. And again, they're free, so 11 a.m. to 12, Monday to Thursday.
I teach from 11 till 11:30, and then Pat Ozomic teaches from 11:30 till 12.
Mm. Yeah, it was great. So we encourage you to join those. I see them. I'm trying to see if there's any more Q&As. How do you say, oh, don't shoot the messenger?
Gegwa Boshkizuwake Deba Jamat. Gego Boshkizuwake Deba Jamat. Don't shoot the messenger. Gego Boshkizuwake.
David, did you have a question? You had your hand up.
Yeah, I was just going to ask if well, it's more of an admin thing. Could using our emails to send the recordings and stuff, or do we have to kind of go on the site or on the Facebook page?
It'll be on YouTube later on, either later on today or early tomorrow. I can see if I can send it to the participants that were here today. Yes.
You watch?
And the phrases are all in the calendar as well. So if you have the calendar, they're in there, with the exception of the few extra that came at the end.
It's also available online, so we'll drop that link into the chat for people. So you can, save it in your browser there and check it out throughout the week and every day. I see Nadine has her hand up again, and I just wanted to share one more Q&A comment. It says, Shannon Carol, Miigwech Isidore from Home in Sagamuk. I share your ads with our community, so I hope you see many of your relations in your classes. That's
All right,
from
miigwech.
Shannon. Okay, and then Nadine's hand is down, but maybe
No,
she's
no,
ready to talk.
Yes, yes.
Go
I
ahead.
just thank you.
Yeah.
So two things. How often are these sessions held? And I heard Lori mention that Isidore had a link to is it weekly, Isidore?
It's daily, Monday to Thursday.
Oh, great.
Right there.
So, oh, good. Okay. And this will be available so I can press the link. Where? Online, you said, Marcy?
What we could do is copy that. So let's maybe we can stop sharing the screen for a minute, Lori, because I want you to be able to copy that and put it into the chat so people can grab it themselves and save it somewhere. We do find this information on Facebook as well, right? So if you're floating around on Facebook, it's shared through there, but we'll make sure that we get the Zoom link and the meeting information for Isidore's daily classes through the Grand Traverse Bay. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12. As he mentioned, he does 11 to 11:30, and then Patricia Ozomic joins at 11:30 and continues the class till noon, sharing stories in Anishinaabe. And I think Lori's working on getting the links over there into the chat for us. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's any more. Oh, there was a question too about these ones with the Anishinaabe Nation. So we will be offering these sessions once a month. Our next one is going to be on February 8th. It will be at 7 p.m. in the evening, and it will be with Dr. Rhonda Hopkins, who was really kind and generous in helping us come up with some words to use on social media. So keep your eye on our socials, whether it's Facebook or Twitter. that information gets shared there, and you'll have the opportunity to register. Lori also had a slide up there that included our email addresses, both her and I. So feel free to reach out to either one of us to stay in the loop in terms of upcoming Anishinaabe activities. And I do see we've got Tashina Logan with a hand up, and we'll turn it over to her.
And my question is just to know where I can find the calendar.
Okay, we'll get that link in there. And then in terms of like print copies of the calendar are available through our 39 member communities. I believe they were shipped to band offices, or you can request a copy directly from Lori. To send her an email and ask her to send you a copy. And again, I keep saying I'm gonna find that link, hoping that maybe Marcy will save me too, and copy and paste that calendar link into the chat for us. I'm gonna find it too though, so I'll make
Lori
sure.
just put it in.
Okay,
Lori's
thank
back.
you, Lori. Thank you, Lori. Miigwech. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think we covered all the questions that are popping up and the comments in the Q&A. I don't see any more necessarily happening in the chat right now. Ooh, okay. Yes, so there was just a question in the Q&A about sending out the February 8th session to those who registered for today. So I'm sure we can do that as well. We'll send out the reminder to everyone that our next upcoming one is February the 8th, and we'll have that registration link available. I know communications is working on that now. Okay, amazing, awesome. Thank you so much, Isadore. We really appreciate you and love spending time listening to you
All right,
and the language.
Miigwech. I double booked myself. I'm supposed to be at another meeting with Lakehead University, so I will sign off and go to that one. Pamapi.
Wawampi, Chimigwech, everyone.